How to send an email on Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send an email on Yahoo Mail easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to your email, go to mail.yahoo.com. Now go to the top here and click on compose. Now after you click on compose, it will take you to this page. Now right here, choose the email of the person that you want to send the email, for example Jack, and here choose the subject, for example interview, and here write your email and click send, for example hey, and click send, and your message has been sent. Don't forget to like and subscribe.